Hello. Um, Welcome to the William. My name's Thea, and actually, this is not William. So yeah, I don't usually play Minecraft all of a sudden. This is all of a sudden that I play Minecraft again because I'm kind of busy on school as usual, and plus I'm not actually. I'm far from that. Or being an artist. But anyways, yeah. This is Aurelium on Minecraft Bedrock. And I'm using a phone for this. Plus, this village is actually our base. This base has some history on it. Actually a long history since we don't do roleplays after all. That's the problem. But we have some type of problems between the two bases. Since I'm not the only one in this realm actually. There's many people in this realm. Some of them are my friends, and some of them are my friend's cousins. The owner of this realm is actually my friend's cousin, which is shocking since why am I here? And why we have a base? I don't know. Because this realm is supposed to be make it for fun, not for wars or something. Oh my god, that's bad. So yeah. Actually, the history of this realm is kind of sketchy since when I just got entering this world, I've gotten to know that there's many people inside the realm or a server. And my first day in here was like not that fine since many of them just move on the spot, then I kinda got lost on it. Plus, few days when I found the base, actually, we don't have a village yet. And the old base was like so far from here. And that old base, I'm always doing something. Since I don't usually play Minecraft right. I don't usually online. So yeah. This thing happened when I got online one day. Eventually, things became spicy. When I got entered, one of my friend's cousins just have this agreement to one of the owner's friends. Like literally, since the other started raiding our houses that time. When it comes to the terms that trust issues begins and someone declare war because of it. Just because the other base or our base just defend themselves since the other base or the other person just started a fight and raiding the other base, which is not good at all. So yeah, a war begins. It's a war actually. And it's even funny that it's not a fucking movie. It's not a roleplay. It's just weird. So yeah. But the good news is, after a few days before that happened, we're given for 1 week, right? We're given that the war will begin on Friday. And what happened my friend told her cousin about that. That we don't want war, we just want peace on the server, because it's not even that good to have a war and we just came in the server. It's just so weird and childish to have a war. I would understand if it's a role play, but it's not a role play, man. It's not a role play. So yeah, the war will continue, and eventually, before the war started, we moved in this village and started making our own base again. And we made houses of our own. And the first house that we made is actually this one. It's the first house that we made. Actually, the whole design is like just cobblestone and nothing like this. Actually, I'm the one who designed this actually. Yeah, the war didn't start, but eventually they find our base and make this tower in here for peace. Yeah, this tower. The Declaration of Peace signed by Dawn and the Monument of Peace. Yep. This is a tower that they made as a sign of peace. And eventually, days later, they moved in with us. It's actually unexpected that they moved in with us and made a deal about it. But the problem is that if all my friends are still having these trust issues to them, because we know to ourselves that we still don't trust them, and they still stuff on our houses all the time. When I'm not vlogging, I'm actually hearing that to my friends on my pieces that, hey, this person is like going to our houses and getting stuff, even stealing stuff out of nowhere, not even telling us. So I goes there, yeah, that's so strange. Why would I do that? Since in the deal, we made a deal that if we got peace, then they should told us that they will go borrow something or steal something else. Because raiding someone's base is not good at all. It's against the rules. So yeah, we still have this problem in the server. And it's kinda stupid. Okay, I hope everything will be right. No, I'm the only one in the server, so I'm gonna tell everyone's speech names on the server, I guess. So yeah, we have this leader in the server who's the owner of the server, which is Oxorial, I think. Yeah, that's my friend's cousin. And my friend's cousin name is actually my friend's name is actually named Atsumi. Then I have this one friend named Frost, Kaya Guy, then Harry X Gen. Our leader of the group, which actually is unspeakable. Then the others are named Minimal, Dragon Jade. Yeah. Actually, my sister in this server named Alexa, Boy 1234. Then Sona, which is the sister of my friend Atsumi. I think that's all on the server. But eventually, many people will join again this server for sure. I'm not that sure because I'm not the owner of the server. I'm not the one who gives the link of the server. So yeah. I actually plan to make other videos content, I guess, in this server. I'm actually not sure. It actually depends. Okay, yeah. Anyways, that's all for today. I gotta say. I really hope people enjoy this video. Yeah. You can like and subscribe what I want, I guess. Anyways. Noise. Bye.